So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can do the looping animation using the Blender. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. And before starting the tutorial guys, if you want to do practice on this project, so you can download this project file from the description. That will be free for you. Okay, and if you find this animation, that file helpful for you, so please hit the like button, hit the share button and subscribe my video also. Okay, so now without any further delay, let's get started tutorial. And before 2 days ago I have posted something on my community tab. So I ask you the next video should make which topic. So 44% people's give a board to animation tutorial, so that's why I'm making that tutorial. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. So if I will pause this animation, so as you can see guys, that's how it's looking. Okay, and how I make this, so I'm just going to show you from the scratch. Okay, how you can do this. So for that I'm just going to create a new file and doing don't save. So first of all we will do a modeling, then we will create animation, then after that we will add a shader. Okay, so first of all I'm just going to add a circle here, and I'm going to front view and change the view as a front view like that. And after that I will go to the edit mode and press the F3, and here I will search grid fill. So I'll just hit the grid fill like that, and I will change the offset. So we need a offset like that. Okay, then I will hit the right click. So now we have our circle, and now I will select the all edges like that, and I will do extrude and scale like that, and once more like that. Okay, then I will add subdivision. So for that I will do Ctrl 2. So here you can see our subdivision modifier is active now. Okay, then after that I will add another modifier, it's called solidify. So here you can see, so now I'm going to add a thickness. So that much thickness is fine. Okay guys, yeah, we can take 8 as well. Yeah, okay, then after that I'm just going to copy this, Shift D like that, and keep it here. You go to the left view, and pressing the control I am just drag it like that, and after that I'm just increasing the thickness like that. Yeah, so that is enough to me now. Yeah, okay, then after that I will go to the front view, and I will add one plane here, and I will change align as a view. Here you can see, now I'm going to scale it like that, and I'm just going to keep it behind like that. That is enough. And now I'm just going to create a one hole. So for that I will add one boolean modifier and take that circle as a boolean and apply it. So if I will move that, so here you can see we have a circle here. Then I will go to the edit mode and going to select those vertices, those edges. Yeah, and after that I will do scale like that, then I will do extrude once like that, then I will select those faces, pressing the alt and left click and do extrude, and I'm just going to extrude it like that. Okay, so that part is ready now. Okay guys, and if you want to do smooth, so you can do right click and smooth. So if you find like that, so you can go to the object properties. Here you will find the normal section, you have to just click auto smooth, so everything will be look smooth. And same thing you can apply on here as well, just to shade smooth and auto smooth, and same here also. Okay, so our modeling part is done. So now I'm just going to set a camera first of all. So for that I'm just confirming a view, so I think that view is fine. Then I will do alt control 0 like that, and I will press the N, and here I will go to the view section, and I will enable the lock camera view, and then I'm just going to adjust the camera first of all, okay, because that will be our final camera. Yes, okay, I think that is fine. Then I'm just going to lock that camera view again, and I will go to the edit mode of that plane and moving that little bit like that, and little bit down as well, and little bit here as well. I'm going to extrude it y-axis like that. Okay, so now our camera view is fixed, so our modeling also is done. Okay, so now I will add a yeah, I think that's fine. So now I will add an animation. So for that, what I will do, so first of all I'm just going to select my circle and go to the modifier section, and here I will add one modifier. It's called simple deformer. So when I add the simple, sorry, this is not simple deformer, I will add a simple deform. So when I add the simple deform, and I will change twist to bend, so here you can see we have a bend value. Now we can bend it, but if you want to bend according to the direction, so for that you have to add one empty. I will go to the empty and add one empty, and keep that empty to the bottom of that part, and after that I will go to again the bend section, okay, and add that empty. So here you can see now we have a empty value, it's a bend according to the empty. Okay, so now I'm just going to set the 0. Yeah, okay, so here you can see for that we can do that bend. Okay guys, so now I will set our keyframe. For that I will go to the 30th frame, 40 frame. Okay, then I will hover my mouse to the angle section and press the I, so that keyframe, here you can see that keyframe it generated. After that I will go to the 80th frame, and I'm just going to increase the angle like that. Yeah, that is fine. Now I will press the I again. So if I will play the animation, so here you can see it's looking little faster, so we have to decrease the speed to increasing the space between the frame. Yeah, that is fine. Now we will add a rigid body for to falling down. Okay, so what we have to do, so we have to go to the 80th frame. Okay, and first of all we will add a rigid body. For that I will go to the physics section, and here you will see the rigid body. First of all I'm just going to untick that dynamic. Okay, so now I will add a one keyframe. Okay, then I will go to the 80th frame and tick that and add a one more keyframe. So now let's see what happened. So it's falling down very nicely, but it should be fall during the bend. So for that we have to decrease the size of that frame. Yeah, I think that is fine. Okay, so now that animation is also done. Okay guys, and we can add more bend. Okay, yeah, I think now it will look more realistic. Yes, okay, so that animation is also done. Okay guys, so now we will make a knife. So for that what I will do, I will go to the front view and I will add one plane here, and I will change the view. I'm just going to scale it like that. Okay, then after that I will go again a front view, and I will add one cylinder, and I'm just going to scale it down, and I'm just going to scale like that. Yeah, that is fine. Okay, and I'm just going to keep it here. Just press inside little bit. Yeah, like that. Then just join the mesh together with the Control J. Okay, yeah, so now it's fine. And add the cursor to selected like that, and now add the origin point to 3D cursor. So if I will rotate it, so it will rotate from the here. Okay, and that is we want. Okay guys, and I think we should increase the size of that plane little bit, height as well. Yeah, I think that is enough. Yes. Okay, so now what I will do, so from the first I will check my camera view. Yeah, that is fine. So first of all I'm just going to rotate it that like that. Okay, and I will add the keyframe pressing the I to the rotation. Then I will go to the 42 frame. I'm just going to rotate it like that. Okay, then I will add a rotation. So if I will play the animation, so it should be late little bit. Yeah, now it's perfect. Okay, but that knife is looking more bigger, so now we have to decrease the size little bit, because it is not looking good. Yeah, I think now it's fine. Perfect. Okay, and if you want to do animation on loop, so you have to just press the you have to just press the T on your keyboard, and you have to just set the Bezier, so that the all animation will be play as a smooth. Yeah, okay guys, so now you can see that is fine, but we have to do one more thing. What we have to do, we have to just set this go to the 80 frame, and I think 75 frame, and add a location, and then I will add a 80 frame, and I'm just going to little bit drag it like that. Okay, we can see from the left view as well. Yeah, that is fine. Now we'll add again keyframe. So what will happen, so if you will see that animation, so that will be cut. Okay, so first of all we have to bake it. Yeah, and it will be come forward, but we have to add a keyframe little gap. Yeah, I think that is perfect. Maybe little bit more late. Okay, so our animation will end in a 100th frame. So we will add the and frame to 100. So if I will play the animation on loop, so here you can see it will be play like that. Okay, so now we will add a material. So how we can do? So for that we will go to the shading panel first of all. Okay, and I will go to my camera view, and I'm just going to add a new material, pressing the new. Okay, and first of all we have to add the material on that part. So for that we will choose one color. So like that I choose greenish yellow. Okay, and I just keep it metallic little bit, decrease the roughness, and yeah, and now I will add one more material on it. So for that I'm just going to select it and select those part and adding a new material and assign it. Okay, so what I will do now, I will change the color to red. Okay, like that. And if you find like that, so for that what you have to do, you just select those edges. Okay, I'm just showing in a grayscale mode so you will better understand what I'm trying to say. So you have to select those edges. Okay, and do bevel at once. That's it. So now you will not find that problem, you will get a perfect circle. Okay, so now I will add a noise texture, and I will add one node, it's called bump. Okay, so I will just plug that bump to normal and that noise texture to height. So you will find like that. So you have to just scale it 200 times, so you will find like that. Okay, so you have to put the same texture on behind as well. So for that you will select that. Okay, and add a texture. So here you can see that texture is adding, but we have to hide first of all that front part, and we have to do same thing here as well. Okay, so just select those and add a new and assign that red part. Okay, and same thing if you find that problem also here, so you have to just select those edges and just do bevel. Okay, so now you will find a perfect circle. Okay, so now I'm just going to unhide that part as well. Yeah, and for a background I will add a new texture. I'm adding a new texture. Okay, and I will add one Voronoi texture as well, and adding the noding map nodes. Okay, and change the object to vector, one color ramp. Okay, and I will put the color ramp to distance, and I will do control shift right click for a viewer, left click for a viewer, so we can see that texture like that. Okay, so I'm just going to decrease the texture like that. Okay, and I'm scaling these textures like that. 40 is fine, I think. Yeah. Okay, so now I will add a mix shader. Okay, and I'm just going to delete that viewer, and I'm just going to add that FAC and that surface. For a while I'm just going to add one shader here. Okay, I think downside like that, and I will add one more principal BS, so I'm just going to duplicate it. Okay, I think we don't need that, and I will add it here. Okay, so what it will work, so I think it should be, so I'm just going to change the color first of all. Okay, so we are taking a yellow. Okay, so we need a, and I'm just going to change that color to I think I'm just going that color to blue, and that I will take a white. Okay, and we should change, we have to decrease the number of that part as well. I think that is fine, it's looking more cool. Okay, so our shader part is also done. Okay, and I will do little lighting here. So for that, what I will do, I will add a point light. Okay, good, and adding the that light. Okay, so it's looking fine now. So now if I will play the animation, so here you can see it's happening very nicely, and for that I will add a new texture, and I can using the yellow and decreasing the roughness. Okay, and for the wire I will add a new texture, assign it, and then I will add a brown color. Okay, and increasing the roughness. Yeah, that's, so here you can see guys that animation is complete now. So that's how you can make a satisfy animation using the Blender, and with the help of the rigid body simulation. And if you want to do practice on this project, so you can download this project file from the description, it will be free. Okay, and thanks for watching this tutorial guys. If you learn something in this video, please hit the like button, hit the share button, and subscribe my channel also. And if you have any queries, if you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply your comment. So bye bye, take care, stay home.